You just received your Beam blanket and have now begun your journey to enhanced wellness because happiness begins within. In the package you received, one duvet, one user manual, one pair of safety goggles, one electrical insert with LEDs, and one power cord. How to use your Beam blanket. It is important to consult with a physician before initiating the use of the Beam blanket. To ensure a positive and beneficial experience, gradually introduce the Beam blanket into your routine with mindfulness. Our Beam blanket employs 660 nanometers and 850 nanometers at a 10% luminosity. For the initial introduction, start with short sessions at moderate frequency. A good starting point is 5 minutes per session, allowing your body to adapt to the lights. Initially, limit your sessions to a few times a week. Increase duration slowly. If the initial sessions are well tolerated, consider gradually extending the session length by just a few minutes. Set limits for safety. Establish a maximum duration for each session and do not exceed 60 minutes per session. General recommendations. Practice mindful observation. Be attentive to how you feel during and after each session. Any signs of discomfort or adverse reactions are indicators to reassess the duration or frequency of your sessions. Value consistency. Regular, consistent sessions often yield more wellness benefits than irregular, intense exposures. By adopting a careful, measured approach to integrating new wellness practices, you can enhance your well-being while ensuring a safe and enjoyable experience. How to turn on and turn off the Beam blanket. Powering on. First, plug the power cord into the electrical insert of the blanket. Next, connect the power cord to the wall outlet to turn on the blanket. Powering off. After your session, always unplug the power cord from the wall outlet to turn off the blanket. This is your primary method for powering the device on and off. Avoid unplugging the cord from the blanket itself unless you need to switch the duvet cover. Always ensure the blanket is unplugged from the wall before and after use to ensure safety. Store the Beam blanket in a cool, dry place when not in use. Avoid folding and bending the blanket excessively to prevent damage to the electrical components. How to clean the Beam blanket. Washing the duvet. Before washing the duvet, unplug it from the power source and allow it to cool down completely. Remove the outer duvet and follow the instructions. Cleaning the electrical insert. In the event that the electrical insert needs cleaning, unplug it from the power source and allow it to cool down completely. Remove the duvet and place aside. Use a soft, damp cloth to gently wipe the surface of the blanket. Do not immerse the electrical insert in water or any cleaning solutions. After wiping down, allow the electrical insert to dry completely for 24 hours before using it again. The Beam blanket warranty. The Beam blanket is accompanied by a 12-month warranty. This warranty is valid only for the original purchaser, contingent upon presenting proof of purchase. The warranty covers your Beam blanket if it shows malfunctions due to defects in material or craftsmanship. Our support team is ready to help. Exclusions from this warranty include damage from mishaps. The warranty does not cover damages resulting from accidents, spills, or unauthorized modifications. Ordinary wear and tear. Degradation from standard usage is not covered under this warranty. Improper use. Utilization of this product in context for which it was not intended is not covered. For assistance or to initiate a warranty claim, please get in touch with our support team via email at support@beamwellness.com with a detailed description of the issue, and we will guide you through the steps. Beam Wellness Incorporated shall not be liable for any incidental or consequential damages arising from the use of the Beam blanket. Thank you for choosing Beam. Holistic wellness is close to our heart, and we are inspired by the many stories of its transformative magic. Our wish is that our tools help you find moments of peace throughout the day and serve you in rejuvenation. Every time you use a Beam product, may it remind you of the blessing of health and the freedom to pursue it.